Right, in this video I'll show you how to create an invoice and how to find your invoices once you've created them, or if you have already created them and you can't find your invoices. You logged into your PayPal business account and you either click on pay and get paid, or if you've already created invoices or you want to create invoice, you go to invoicing. It doesn't make any difference. It doesn't make any difference. You can go either way. So if I just press that, get paid, pay and get paid. Here under that you have wallet, invoicing, make payments, accept payments, and you can choose any of those categories and do your business. On the invoicing, you can create and manage invoicing. This video is just about invoicing, so I don't want to go through all those things. That'll be hours and hours of talk. So just invoicing. Under here you can press create invoice. Now under that there is a drop down, estimates or batch invoice update or money request. So you just choose, for instance, invoice, create invoicing, and here at the moment I've uploaded my logo. You can upload your own logo here where it says your business information, and you can edit that, and you can put your own address or name of the business, whatever you want, phone number, email address, invoicing to the person that you want the email address, and you can even email it to yourself so you know the invoice has been sent. This is automatic invoicing, and you can make series of invoices, so it recurs it's a recurring invoice. You can make recurring invoices or series of invoices, so it recurs every month or every quarter, every 6 months, whatever. You can customize it. So to do that, you go here, frequency, once only, or every 1 week, every 1 month, every 1 year, every quarter, or custom. And then you can customize that here. Put the date, start date here, repeat every 1 month, every day, every week, every month, every year, or every 2 months, every 3 months, or whatever you want. And ending or expiry date, and you put after, so you say start here, end it after this date, after the five occurrences, or 6 occurrences, or 10 occurrences, or whatever you want, and then save it. Once you've done that, that's done, that part is done, your logo is uploaded, your business information is there, the person who gets it, the email address, and maybe yourself or somebody else, whoever you want. And then you come here, you customize what you want to say here. Is it quantity, is it hours, because of the hourly work that you've done, amount only, whatever. Details, other details like taxes, detached, you can remove these things or add or remove from the invoice, like tax and stuff. And the currency. So for instance, I have tax here. If I just go here and tick that, the tax is gone from there. So you don't need to show that to your customer, or you want to show it, you just put it there. That's up to you. And the description, you put down here the item name and the description, maybe whatever you want to describe your item that you've done, or you're selling services, whatever. The price, and if you have any discount or shipping cost or whatever, and then goes there. Allow partial payments, so it allows the customer to make partial payments, allow customers to add a tip, and basically that is it. And if you want to add any notes to recipient or any terms and conditions, or attach any files, and once you've done that, you preview it, and then once it's done that, then you can send it. Now if I go back to edit, and if you made recurring payment like I did at the beginning, I said custom, and let's say after 4 occurrences, then stop. Then you have another button here. It just says start series. That starts the series of the invoices, which will be issued and sent automatically to the recipient. Now this is done. You could, after you've done that and everything is done, you can save it as a draft, or you can save it as a template. Once you've done that, if you want to go back and see your invoices or manage them, you come to the same page, get paid and create invoices or manage invoices. You go there, same, just to begin, to start from the beginning, basically, just to show you. If you just logged in and started fresh, you just come under this button. It says manage invoices, manage recurring series, manage estimates. So if I go on the manage, at the moment I've gone on the invoices, and as you can see, there is no invoices. I don't have any invoices, but I know I have a recurring series that I can go under this. If I go under that and click there, it'll show me the series of recurring invoices which I have here, and then you can click on that and view them or edit them, do whatever you cancel them or close them, do whatever you want. That's how you find your invoices. So this is basically how you create an invoice, whether it's a one-time only or series, and you can manage your invoices that way. Thank you.